Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. G. It is the third day after my procedure, and as you can see, I'm out and about here in San Francisco, and just had to come into the clinic for actually just a few meetings today. I got up this morning, did sleep a little better. I figured out some tricks on how to get myself a little more comfortable at home in the sleeping upright position. So I'll make some videos about that later. But yeah, I did my cleaning this morning with the foam and the scrub on the recipient area here and the scrubbing in the back. It all feels pretty good. I did put then, after I left the house just to come out to the clinic, I put a little my surgeon's cap on, so that was easy enough to kind of just wear for a little bit. And I am getting some of the normal swelling that happens in the forehead area, and you can see it's kind of a little puffier on my eye. It's come down, but just totally typical on day number 3. So between days 3 and 5 is when that swelling starts to kind of peak and then come down. So anyway, but it feels really good. And I'll tell you more about all the little things I'm feeling, but I just want to show you that essentially, yeah, I had my surgery, had my clinic visit the day after, and now this is 2 days after, and I'm just out and about. I'm probably going to stop, get some groceries, and then go on home and do some work from my home office. So I'll check in with you later, but I'm feeling awesome. All right, bye. It's me, Dr. G, and it is officially 7 days since my procedure, 1 week, and I feel still great. I've been shampooing for the last couple of days now to get all the crusts and scabs off, and you can see I'm able to run my fingers over the hair now without worrying about anything, and it's actually really fun to just feel the whole full head of hair. I actually kind of like the feel of it, and I can't tell you how much time I'm saving in the shower now. It's just super easy in and out, as opposed to the long hair I had before. Things feel great, they look great. I feel totally fine walking around, without anything covering if I'm not in the sun. And I'm continuing to call friends and family and everybody I know to show them what's going on, and people are responding just wonderful to it. They love it. They say the look looks great, and apparently I'm rocking the dome really well. So I'm gonna keep on now, just back to normal routine, shampooing with normal shampoo, or I like the one that we use at the clinic, so I'm gonna keep using that, and we'll keep recording the day-to-day progress to you. But you can see the redness is completely, almost nearly faded from all angles. So this is it. I mean, at 7 days, I can't even, there's nothing to even look at, as opposed to when it comes to something remnant from the procedure. I feel great. I'm been working, and we're gonna just head out for the evening and just enjoy. So I'll keep checking in as usual, but for now, 1 week feels great.